people, welcome back cooking with Bling one more time in my kitchen again. As I say, today in my kitchen, I do some lobster and a rundown coconut cream. As I say, so I want to tune in, watch what I go on. Remember, subscribe to my channel. As I say, like and share. As I say, respect to my subscribers and all this. So people, I want to come in my kitchen. Come see my lobster, you see me I say? So today I do some lobster french fry and then cook down in a coconut cream, you see me? So I have my lobster and I have my crayfish. You see me I say? No people mix up lobster. This is the lobster one. Yeah, this is the lobster there. This is the lobster and this is the crayfish. You see me? No people get it twisted, you see me? You go to shop and say, you might get lobster. They're two different things, but the crayfish tastes totally different from the lobster. You see me I say? Totally different. So I want to tune in, watch what I go on in my kitchen, then I season up my thing, and then after that I start the frying. So for my seasoning, you know, I don't need more than Maggi hard pepper, some black pepper, and I have some mixed herb. You see me I say when I mix up, I have my seasoning, then cut up some sweet pepper, onion, thyme. I don't have no garlic, I use some garlic powder over there, so you see me? So pimento seed, every little bits and bobs there, you know. When I see it when I cut it up too, so for my seasoning, you know, you see me I say? I mix up my own little seasoning together, I put everything together, you see me? So I have the black pepper, the Maggi hard peppers, the mixed herb, and I have some garlic powder. So what I do you know, I start seasoning up my thing, you know. I want to tune in and watch how I go and season up my thing, you know. You see me I say? So what I need to do, just tune in and watch how I go and season up my thing, you see? Alright then. So yeah, I bust the lobster them from the back. Got a different style today, isn't it? So I bust it from the back. So yeah. I have a little seasoning. Because inside the one is seasoning, you know, the shell don't have nothing to do with it. Isn't it? Shell can't hold seasoning, isn't it? So you just need to make sure so yeah. So yes people, I don't need to do more than that so far because I want me in my pot. When we start do all of my season up and all of these things, when I mix up in my pot, then I add more seasoning to this. So this so far, it do for me, isn't it? So I make sure so you rub it in a little bit, you get me? Make sure so you get inside of it, you get me? So yes people, tune in, watch what I go on the Bling kitchen. So the next thing we're going to do after this, I light up my pot, you see me? And then I start get them brown. So I'm going to french fry it a bit first, for maybe about 5 minutes. And then after that, then cook down a bit the coconut cream and all of these things, you see me I say? So I want to tune in the Bling kitchen and watch what I go on out there. So yes people, I done season up my thing now, you see me? So then they go and simmer down. So I light up my pot now, you see me? So I'm going to drop a piece of onion in it. That will just give oil a little bit of flavor, you see me? Piece of thyme. Just a little flavor in there, you see me I say? Fry out in the oil still, you see me? Remember everybody cook different, you know, my cooking and my cooking, you see me? My kitchen and my kitchen, you see me I say? So you don't know, everybody deal with them things different. So yeah, what I do you know, I just let the oil go and hot up. Drop a piece of hot pepper in it too as well. Remember me a spice and a friend, you know, but you don't know, I drop a piece of hot pepper in it too. So tune in, watch what I go on my pot, and the friend will start out there. Yes people, so welcome back. So what I do you know, my oil done hot and now all I look at them fry up now. So I just start hard. I think them to it here now. So just watching on the pot and see what I go on. So we're going to start with this. Yes people, I don't want them fry more than about 5 minutes. Just get a brown color. As soon as them get them brown color, cut them out and start doing the rest of the show, isn't it? So yeah man. Yes people, so I fry for about 5 minutes.
yeah, man, I just want to cook a little brown. Soon as I cook a little brown, because you know them everything already is, you know. Then the other part I'll show start. So yeah, man, just tune in, subscribe, like and share. You see plenty more coming. One more on the dish. So there. So yes, people, then pizza can come out. Then it's a 5 minutes to fry. Next part I'll show the big part is it. Yeah, man, so 5 to 5 minutes, check the color. Then alright. Then the half cook it, you know. Yeah, let's go now. So make some things now. So this one of the lobster here. Look at the crayfish. Look at the lobster. Put this out here. So the next part of the show, when I take them out, the rest of them out, and the cook down part at the start, I'm going to tune in. That's where I go on in the kitchen. Subscribe out there. Now, so I time for cook them a bit now, so I throw off the oil off of the pot of the same pot I use. So I'm add in some butter now. I add in about 2 spoons of butter. That's what I need so far. So now I'm going to add some seasoning. I'm going to add all of my seasoning. I'm going to add the first set of seasoning on it and wash and clean. Yeah, that's the first set of warm on it. I want a little bit of cooking oil on it as well. Just a little bit of cooking oil. Just give it a shine to it. So yeah. Just want to make sure that it's fry out and all. Build my belly body and also coconut. Cream next to the going night as well. Go and cook out and catch anything and add a little bit of curry night as well for us. Give a little flavor, isn't it? So coconut, cream and the curry, everything and the lobster together. A real random style that is, you know what I say? So yeah man, just tune in and watch out going in the kitchen. So I bet it's going to cook out now. So yes people, the seasoning and cook out and also. We have some coconut cream, maybe about 3 quarter cup of coconut cream. Quarter cup of coconut cream in there, yeah? You want this coconut cream up, just want to cook out tonight now. Make sure so, yeah? Now add a little bit of black pepper, teaspoon of black pepper, tablespoon of Maggi all-purpose. Just a tablespoon of one pan so far. So when you start cook them and thing, you can taste it after. Teaspoon of the mixed herb. So yeah, I cook them a bit now, yeah? So just tune in, watch what I go on, you know? Alright then. I'm going to a little bit of water right now. A little bit. Not too much water, just a little bit. Just to ease up the bottom and ease up everything, you know what I'm saying? You know when coconut cream start to dry out, you know? So yeah. Just a little bit of water. So now a bit this cook down, everything cook out a bit, the coconut cream cook out about 5 minutes before I start adding my lobster in it. So just tune in, watch what I go on. So my gravy look. So it look pretty. So you can go and cook out for 5 minutes. The season cook out and everything, coconut cream cook out and you know. And then I start dropping the lobster then. And I make some white rice with the thing. You see me I say? Yeah man, out there. So yes people, so I cook down the coconut cream and all the seasoning them for 5 minutes. So when I do it, I'm going to start adding the lobster in now, here fish in. So that's what I'm doing. So then fry off and everything. So I add in them one and wash and clean. So you start doing them and I'll start make sure so the cream start go by 9 so everything start cooking straight away, isn't it? Yeah. Just watch how I go on the pot. The pot look nice. Right then, everything added now. The process kick off now, you see? Yeah man, so the cook down bit now, I cook it down for about 20 minutes. You don't need more than 20 minutes. I just want everything soaking, everything flavor gone out in a gravy, everything does, isn't it? You don't do it more for more than 20 minutes. So you want to tune in, watch what I go on, and this is how I go and see that take time of the kitchen flavor, and take time to go and cook things, you know? So yeah man, lobster run down from the winning to the review out here. One now. So yes people, I'm adding the rest of the seasoning now to my pot. So here the rest I go and cook down. So I'm going to make sure I cook it down. Scallion, thyme, pimento seed, sweet pepper. I think I'm going to cook down now, isn't it? Cook down process now. Number one, 15 minutes left tonight, isn't it? But I'll cook down now. So yes people, I'm going to go 10 minutes what I cook down so far. And I'm cooking down for our next 10 minutes. I taste it a while ago. Is the nice and add a little bit of salt, and add no more seasoning to this. A little bit of salt and I put on it. Get your flavor, because I have a whole lot of seasoning there already, isn't it? Can give me seasoning flavor, so I don't need no more. So I just add a little bit of salt. So now next 10 minutes, I'm on and I shake the lamb. Beautiful, you want to smell it, nice. Yes people, in the pot. 10 more minutes, and everything good. So just tune in and watch what I'm doing out here. So yes people, it's running out. I'm going to lock off my stove now. And then I don't know, serve it out as it. Yeah. You make lobster run down, coconut cream. Remember I mix up my little seasoning them together. Yeah, and you see the flavor we're doing off, and a little bit of curry nice seasoning them too. So you see the flavor we're doing off. So your man is very delicious. And taste all the gravy, all the ingredients can bottle up and sell. And the regular soft gravy not so bad. Tune in to the show right, is it?